things I recommend and don't recommend for to bring to the doctor's office. First one I don't recommend is a shimmer ball, because shimmer balls can pop really easily. My friend got theirs and theirs popped right when they opened it, like it already had a hole in it. I'm lucky to still have mine. And I don't have long nails. I bite my nails constantly, so it's not easy for me to pop like a shimmer ball or something. And then the first one I do recommend is a poppy ball, because poppy balls are fun to play with and they're not too loud. The next one I don't recommend is an Orbeez stress ball, because they kind of make this sound the whole time, and that might disturb some of the other people. I actually kind of don't recommend this one either, but an Orbeez stress ball, no, because it makes like a, and they can probably pop. The first one I do recommend is a pop-it bracelet. Where did I put my tangle? One of my friends spent the night and I guess they left their Orbeez stress ball. It's like frozen, but it's like deflated too. We'll just leave that there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my tangle. I cannot find the tangle, but I found these gymnastics stickers. But I did find one fidget. My fidget spinner, Dimple. I recommend that because it's not like a lot. Pretty good. And here's one thing. My mom would kill me if I popped this in her car. And I like fidget spinner dimples. This one has really small bubbles. Oh yeah, and here's one other thing I recommend. If you can make loom bracelets, I'd bring loom bracelets. Because loom bracelets, like, you can, like, look at them and they're, like, rubber. And they're, like, cute. They're really cute. I'll show you which ones I have. I'm going to wear my fishtail ones. I want to wear, like, my kind of... I don't want to wear my single chains today, so I'm going to wear my fishtails. This one, I'll save that one for last, actually. These three, this is my first one, this one was my second one, and this one was my third one that I made. But these are the double cross single. They're really easy to make. I'm probably going to make a video on how to make these. So give a thumbs up if you want me to make a video on how to make them. And if people still do loom. And this one is a taffy braid. It's very similar to a dragon scale, but this one's called a taffy braid. I really like the taffy braid. It took me a bunch of times because I kept it took me a bunch of times to make the single chain to make it fit around my wrist, because it took me so many times, because like I kept not so I have my needle right here. Pretend I have a needle. I didn't put one of the loops on there by accident, and I kept doing that for like 3 or 4 times. And then I finally got all the loops on there, and I made it. This one's obviously black and white. This one's black and rainbow. This one's teal and like some neon colors. And this one's like purple and also some neon colors. And they're really fun to make. I'm probably going to make another taffy bracelet to wear. It's basically the same layout as a single chain, but you use 2 rubber bands, and then instead of going like diagonal, you go forward and keep doing that all the way to the top, and then you can take it off, and then you take doubles and you put it on there, and then you take all the loops. You put it on the last one, so it's like a cat band, and then you pull it back and get the under and go diagonal that time. It's kind of hard to explain. I'll make a video of it. So yeah, those are the fidgets that I recommend bringing to a doctor's office. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on my notification bell, so every time I post a new video, y'all can watch it. Bye guys.